the top 5 best food processor recommendation. Recommendation number 1. Cuisinart 14-cup food processor. Cuisinart's 720-watt motor for our 14-cup large-capacity food processor can handle almost anything. Make any kind of dip, puree, soup, or sauce, including hummus, salsa, guacamole. The possibilities are endless. The 14-cup food processor has an on and off/pulse buttons with a Lexan bowl, extra large feed tube with small and large pusher bowl sleeve assembly. Also a detachable disc stem for easy use and clean up. Cord length is 36 inches. Stainless steel standard slicing disc form. Recommendation number 2. KitchenAid KFC 3516 CU 3.5 cup food chopper. We recommend the inexpensive KitchenAid 3.5 cup food chopper for anyone who wants to make small batches of dips, spreads, or mirepoix. It chopped vegetables more evenly than the other mini models we tested. On top of that, its handle jar with push-button activation was the most convenient to use. You can't knead dough or shred ingredients in it, but you can grind or chop small portions of vegetables or nuts, which is more tedious to do by hand. You will get exceptional performance with this KitchenAid 3.5 cup mini food processor. Recommendation number 3. Breville BF800 BSXL Sous Chef 16 Pro Food Processor. The Breville Sous Chef 16 Pro is more powerful than the Cuisinart Custom 14, so it's the machine you want when you're cooking for large groups or if you process food several times a week. Its 1200-watt motor and smart design save you time in use and cleaning. In fact, despite the 16-cup Sous Chef's many accessories, it was one of the easiest models to clean. That said, if you only use a food processor occasionally, the Breville's high cost probably outweighs its benefits. And given that this processor is huge, more than 18 inches tall. Recommendation number 4. Magimix Compact 4200 XL Chrome 950-watt food processor. The Magimix has a few design elements that elevated it to the top of our list, including a chopping blade that nearly touches the side of the bowl for complete and efficient processing, an innovative dough blade shape that kneaded pizza dough better than any other machine we tested, and nesting 12 and 6-cup work bowls that offer increased flexibility. It never so much as broke a sweat in any of our tests, all while boasting one of the quieter motors of the lot. The brand name of this machine may not ring a bell for many readers, but it comes from good stock. Recommendation number 5. Breville Sous Chef 12-cup food processor. This Breville Sous Chef is a smaller, slightly less powerful version of the 16-cup model, but it still has enough muscle to bring dough together effortlessly. It, too, has an adjustable slicing disc that made short work of potatoes without excessive waste. When filled with nearly 4 cups of water, the Breville didn't leak a drop, which is more than we can say for several of the 14-cup machines we tested. Grating cheese and chopping herbs or nuts to mixing batters and pureeing soups. 12-cup cap, BPA-free plastic work bowl, safety braking system,